Good morning to the community of TVisions across the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowu Ayinde, also known as Afaya Joa, one of the many voices of TBC. This morning, I want to encourage everyone in the house that you should go out all out on your passion. What is your passion? What is that your desire? I ask that this morning you go all out on it. You go all out to actually acquire every needed knowledge. And for as many who are out there thinking that how will I do it? How can I get my desired result in the community of abundance? This is another beautiful day. Go all out, stand up, get the needed training that you need. We have all our dear leaders in the house who are conversant, who are familiar, and who are well versed in our community. So contact any of us to give you direction. And go out. And guess what? Let's go all out. Let's ensure that we build our community to the desired 1 billion members. Let us do all in our best. So today, go all out in your passion. Pursue that passion with every vigor in you. Bring in more merchants. Bring in a lot of referrals into the community. And guess what? Very soon, we shall get to our economic stage. And that is our desire in order to change this world for a better place. I love you guys. So as you step out this beautiful Tuesday morning, guys, well, guess what? It's a little bit sunny this morning. That shows that the day is bright for us. So go all out and watch and do the needful. Love you guys. Don't forget the 500 promo is ending soon. Key into this. It's a wonderful promotion. God bless you all. Love, like, and share this broadcast. Subscribe to it. Thank you. God bless you. God bless the community of abundance. TBC is our birthright.